What you doing? Got her own pool now. Don't splash everybody! Don't splash everybody!
Watch out, Kims. Watch out. There you go. That's not cold.
What? So cold.
Hey, I forgot to take her diaper off. I just wanted to see her play in it. What happened, Poogie Stoogie? Dude, she's freaking laying in that shit. Who's got their own pool? You got your own pool? Oh, that's cold! Oh, it's gotta be cold! Ah. Oh, it's cold! I know it's cold. I can tell by looking at it. It's cold. Were you gonna lay right in the water?
Kinsley, what are you doing?
She's having fun.
Yeah, it's freezing out there.
Who's got a big diaper that I forgot to take off? Man, I could just put some baby soap in there and just let you wash yourself. This is easier than the bathtub. Oh, it's boring already? Where you going? Oh, you gotta move it? It's not in the right spot?
No.
No? Where's the right spot? Don't throw your shoes in. Oh my God. Those are your shoes. Hey. What are you going to do? Spill it? She's going to spill the pool out. Hey, you sit down. What are you doing? Look how freaking happy she is. Is that pool better than your real pool?
Hey. The only thing I worry about is her climbing out, and it's slippery.
What, the deck?
Yeah, when it gets wet.
I don't know why she's gonna climb out. Where you going? What, are you gonna go in your house for a little while? Oh, you're shaking off like a dog?
The grill, we gotta move.
Why you gotta move it? It's not in the right spot? Oh, slip. Put some soap in there?
No, what are you gonna...
I don't know, it'll be sudsy and funny.
Yeah. You, I gotta cut your nails tonight. I don't know if I had it in my pocket. Ooh, fartsies.